Coming live from Merida, Mexico, this is Amputee Adventures.
Good morning, everybody. I'm on the corner of 14th, Calle 14, Calle 4, forget it, Calle 14 and 59. There's a bunch of vendors going around. Soda shop there on the corner, but most of the stuff, the action, and you're going along down that street. So I'm at the corner. I'm going to be going over here. It's a little baseball field, and so they have vendors all around the whole baseball field, different things. So actually, I will probably go this way and see what they got from there, and then go from there. So we got the Sandy Dulce, Cinco Kilo. Let's check that one out. Oh, see yeah, this is what it's at. And see some bananas and pears over there. So yeah, let's take a look. Probably turn this around so you can. Pineapples right there. So I'm gonna get some pineapples, and plantains, and watermelons. And here's this end of this block. It's got a little eatery. Places to sit. Check that out. Salsas and tacos. Okay, let's see some more. Pharmacia. Right there. And bus stop. Here's this 14th and 61. Yeah, doing some tacos right there. Man, that's smelling good. Might have to get some of those. And now we're coming into the flea market. Time to go shopping. I'm going here, a bunch of clothes, about a couple shirts, two nice double XLs, because the sizing, like a large out here is a medium, but yeah, 60 pesos for some shorts. Look for those. I have enough shorts, but I should look for some. 10 pesos, shirts, 40. I didn't see any good shorts that I wanted. Now we're getting into the other stuff. Shoes, some other clothes, socks, tie-band, clothes, white shirt. Clothes over here. Got some accessory items. Kitchen utensils. Woodworking. And more shorts. I'm gonna check these out more. And now we're getting into the middle part of the flea market. Got books, different socks, sunglasses, music, more clothes. Lots of clothes, 50 cents a piece, 5 pesos a piece. That's not bad, $2 a piece. Got bags and clothes, sunglasses. Pesos a piece. ¿Puede ser?
A veces cambia.
Oh, there's more out there I gotta go look at. Yeah, here's all the beauty. Saw that. I'm gonna go look at. Oh, I see some nice shirts I want to get. I'll talk to you later. Alright, what about some more shirts? Yeah, mostly it's a lot of clothing today, but some electronics, some other things. But it is a better flea market than just prepackaged stuff. Pretty good. Check this one out. I got a few things I was looking for. Definitely. Yeah, even a little toys. Did not see any video game. Oh, accessories. So yeah, it's a nice little flea market here. See it behind me. But yeah, I got 4 shirts and some accessories. Yeah, let me show you the place. Little ball field, Esperanza Park, and all around it is vendors. You can see them way out there, and it goes into here, a little playground for kids to play. So that's great. A bunch of eateries, and then all kinds of different booths with clothing, mostly clothing here. But it had some electronic items. But yeah, majority of it was clothing, but it had some good stuff, good buys. So yeah, Esperanza Flea Market. I took an Uber. Parking looks like it could be very difficult all around because there's all kinds of different businesses encircling this whole little park. Yeah, nice little area. It's like 85, 90 degrees right now. A beautiful breeze going through some trees, under some shade. And yeah, couldn't ask for a better day. So yeah, this is the flea market. Have a great day.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all your support and all your comments. And if you would like, buy me a taco. Have a great day.